I'm recording, is that fine? Hey guys, what is up? Today we're in Animal Company! And we are going in the mines. We are targeting research points today. So my friend is going to try and help me get some wood. So we are actually going to go to sewers first to get some money because we are brokies. Actually, I got my own stick. I'll take double sticks. It's fine. Let's go to... Oh, do you got enough for a light? Well, guys. Yeah. No, we're going to sewers to get some ores. Okay. Well, where's nut plants? We need nut ores. Yeah. After we get loaded up with at least my regular loot drop. Okay. Help me, I'm stuck. Where are you? So we are just gonna get some loot, and then I'm gonna get my regular loot drop, which is I can get a gem. After I sell this one gem, I'll get a backpack. I'll have enough. I will. Well, mine is cost 50 for a big backpack, a regular backpack. Yeah, so we are just gonna get rich. We're gonna get a little rich. So we are gonna get a little rich. I got it. So we are gonna get a little rich, like I said, and then we're gonna get a regular loot drop, which is a brown backpack, a brown backpack. So I got a brown backpack, a glow stick, and a crowbar. Sometimes, yes, I will upgrade. But now that I got a backpack, we can hold a little more stuff. Is your nose in the nose hole? Make sure you're not breathing up. So we got a little. Okay, we're getting a little loot here. Got 2 ore. Pretty good. You got 105, you got more than me. Well, duh, because I did get our things we need. I did get a backpack. So we are about to go try and kill Spooderman with nothing but sticks. Where are you? Yes! We needed that. I got some loot. Loot. Let's go kill Spooderman. But if we double stick him, we'll be good. Okay, guys, so we're entering caves. Coins. Okay, bring me the ore. Bring me the ores. Wait. I'm grabbing ores. I'm grabbing the ores. let you mine and didn't pick up. I need to upgrade my backpack. Where are you? Nope, not that, wait, nope. No, wait. Where are you? Oh, see ya. Okay, ready? Wait, come back. We got some loot. Well, I got some left. If you can come back so I can see the light. Can I have the light? Or no? Okay, let's just go sell. You're gonna see every second of this video, by the way, because I'm not editing any of my videos. You see every single second. Doesn't depend if I'm doing the glitch, you'll see all of it, so you might just want to skip past those parts. But we're doing no glitches in this video, luckily. We're just gonna be traveling back and forth until we get some good. Okay, I'm pressing buttons. So I got 132 nuts. I have enough for a stick light, so now I can stay mining. I'm gonna sell my stick. Did we get anything for a stick? You can have that stick if you want to, or you can incinerate it. Oh guys, by the way, I meant to tell you, I have a fan code now. The fan code is Crazy Guy. Or this code. The code is DEDGUYQW. That is my fan code right here. Sometimes the code is Dead Guy QW. So we will be in here. Me and my friends will be filming in here if you ever want to meet us in mid-video. If you want to be in a video. So, yeah. Yes, I do post these. I'll tell you later. We need to keep mining. Can you get me a crowbar? That's my main loot shop. Okay, well, we're going back in the mines. I got a glow stick, so this is going to be really, really helpful. Hopefully, we can kill some spiders today. I'm just checking my percentage to make sure I'm not dying soon. So, hopefully, we are going to kill some spiders here soon, and hopefully get some grapplers. We're hopefully going to get some grapplers from Spoodermans today. Yeah, you can. Okay. Okay, follow me. Let's go this way. Where are we? I'm confused. Did this change? This changed. Yeah, I'm like oh no. No way. This way. Spooderman! Dead end. This way. This way. Dead end. No. We need to mine these ores. Mine these ores. Okay. Let's go this way. Yeah, this way. Shoot! He's attracted to light. Shoot it, shoot it. Shoot it. Spider-Man. 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 Go! Get him! Kill him! My stick died! Okay, let me do this. Let me do this. Okay. Football! Kill the mimic. My stick died. It broke. Kill the mimic. You got a stick. I didn't know stuff has durability. You have to. I can't get stuff. Here. Put everything in this backpack. Put everything in. I don't. Okay. No. Run. Run. We're out. We're out. Come on. Let's go. We're out. We're out. We're out. Nope. Go straight. Turn around and go straight. Yeah, but I'm not risking it. Let me get some. The mimic can follow you. One time me and I think your brother, we were in sewers. And then oh, my name is @GreenGuy. I'm telling my channel name to you. What thing? I don't know. I am not on a channel. Okay, no, because we can share loot, and then we'd both get it. Yeah, we do. No, both do. Look at your watch go up. I promise you. I don't know. Your watch is gonna go up. It will. Wait. Boom, mine just went up. See? Yes, I left it. Yeah, dump it. I touched it. What if I go first? I can get a crowbar. I can get a crowbar. Got it. This was a lot better weapon. Okay. You sure? Are we gonna grind or what are we gonna do? Don't hit me. Yeah, I like crowbar stuff because it gives you like more length. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, okay. What? Yeah, you get bolts down here from stuff. Oh, crate! What? I don't know. It's like not a real crate. Nothing. Yeah, I don't need them. I don't use umbrellas. You can't mine stuff with umbrellas. Are you sure? Yeah, your brother. That's red light, green light. You're dead. Sure. Maybe. I'm past it. I'm sorry, I'm past red light, green light. It won't despawn. I know it won't. One time I made it all the way down the sewers and back. Then it despawned. If you be quick, like if you die again by red light, green light, yeah, your stuff despawns. Okay, just hurry so it doesn't despawn. Okay, I'll try and come back. This guy Sloopy, who's really nice, and I've been doing this for a while. No! Stop! Can you get my loot? Can you get my loot? You there? Oh! We have to go. I got loot down there. Wait, never mind. I can regenerate it. It's fine. I have enough. What? No. What do you mean? Why do you have to go? Let me check something. Okay, well, hurry. Bye. Green. Wait. Go. You can't get back up. You can't. You die. Or leave the game. See you later. Yeah, I'm leaving too.